screen. Record on the screen. Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learning Scratch with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to continue how we can download and upload a GIF of favorite character from the internet, and we can write our own script, okay, simple script. So I have a GIF, okay, picture downloaded from the Madagascar for King Julian. So I'm going to upload that. Now there is a lot different. Okay, there is a big difference between JPG and GIF. GIF pictures, they capture lots of movements. Okay, so now here from the Madagascar King Julian. Okay, so I have some of GIFs, and let me use this one. Okay, so okay, so it's uploading. Wait for it. Okay, so this GIF, after finishing uploading, I will show you the costumes. It has a number of costumes, so that's the main difference between GIF and JPG. JPG is a single costume, but with GIF it has lots of costumes. Okay, so yeah, as it is a number of pictures embedded into one GIF format, compressed, so it's going to take lots uploading, lots of time. Okay, let's go to the costume and I show you that. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded only a single GIF, but it has 14 costumes in that, right? So let me write a simple script where I make the King Julian change. Okay, on clicking on the sprite, which is King Julian, I want the whole script to play through the costumes. Okay, I'm using forever and I'm using wait to slow down, switching between the costumes. Okay, then I'm using next costume, just a simple script. This is going to be too slow and I don't want it to be too slow or too fast. Let's make it this. Okay, now I'm clicking on this script, so you can see King Julian moving his mouse to say, so so this is a picture taken when King Julian is making this speech, so okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.